automatic loading machine, double-sided electrostatic dusting, dual air blowers for powerful dust blowing, preheating in the oven, 3 sets of electrodeless heating lamps, instant heating, precise temperature control, double-side coating machine, upper and lower side coating at the same time, surface and base material movable rack, chain conveyor, Teflon touch plate. Sensor plate. Mobile rack return to position, automatic panel spreading substrate. Foot switch to control the sheet table. Lateral alignment. Push button to activate conveyor row. Entering the laminating machine, 6 sets of rollers. After lamination, a sandwich panel is completed.